colleagues, I just wanted to talk to you today a little bit about Scarborough's Rope. We've been talking about that at a lot of our trainings, and so I made it easier for us to understand by making it more visually appealing. I think that Scarborough's Rope is a great reference for us to really understand how complex the reading process is. So I started down here with word recognition, and I made the sight words in pink. I've got the decoding in orange, phonological awareness in gold. We know that that is so important and so critical to our young students that have to understand and have that ability. So that's our word recognition part. And then our literacy knowledge in blue, verbal reasoning in green, language structures in purple, vocabulary in red, and then background knowledge in yellow. I kind of think of background knowledge kind of like the sun. It goes over everything, and we hope that we can build on some of those concepts and experiences. So all of that together is under our language comprehension. And we can see together that there are so many strands that go into those parts that go into the Scarborough's rope that make it us be able to visualize how complex the reading process really is for fluent readers. And we're also gonna practice with our kinesthetic learners. So I'm gonna take the gold for phonological awareness. That's where we want to start. And then I'm gonna add, and I'm just gonna wrap the decoding piece all around the phonological awareness, because we want students to be able to hear the sound, and then later we want them to decode. Now, but this right here is not a fluent reader. We are definitely missing some pieces. So let's continue with our word recognition part, and let's go ahead and wrap our pink pipe cleaner, our pink strand, around for sight words. Okay. So then now we've got our word recognition, but we're still not a fluent reader. We need to add the important components of language comprehension. So we're going to put that down for a second, and we're going to make language comprehension a tightly woven piece. Our background knowledge is going to affect our vocabulary, and our vocabulary is going to help us read. It's going to help us understand the language structure, verbal reasoning, and literacy knowledge. So there's my language comprehension piece. But language comprehension also by itself, just like word recognition, is not a fluent reader. So we need to so carefully and so with such complexity weave those together, and you will see, just like Scarborough's Rope, that at the very end, with increasing strategic and automatic reading, we have a fluent reader. We see the background knowledge, we see the importance of vocabulary, language structure, verbal reasoning, literacy knowledge, phonological awareness, decoding, and sight word recognition. So all of this together, every single part, makes the fluent reader. I just wanted to show you guys a great representation of Scarborough's Rope. Make it easier to understand. Thanks.